The Credit Rebuilder program is one of the most powerful ways for improving your credit score quickly, particularly after a financial meltdown. So I'm going to walk you through how it works, what you get, and how to know if it's right for you. Let's start with the biggest benefit. Your credit score will improve just by joining and making your monthly payments. Here's why. We report those payments to all 3 major credit bureaus. So every time you pay, you're adding positive history to your credit report, just like making an on-time car payment. After a financial meltdown, the most important thing you can do is add new positive credit activity. That might sound backwards. Why open new credit when you're recovering from debt? But here's the deal. Credit scores are based on recent behavior. If the only thing on your credit report is old missed payments or collections, there's nothing new to show you've changed. Think of it like this. If you failed a bunch of tests and never took another one, your GPA stays low, but if you start getting A's, your GPA climbs. Your credit score works the same way. To rebuild your score, you typically need 2 things. First, you need 3 new credit cards. You can find pre-screened options at 720creditcards.com. Second, you need an installment account like a car loan. But let's be real. You shouldn't have to finance a car just to fix your credit. That's where the Credit Rebuilder program comes in. It shows up on your credit report like a car loan, but instead of owing thousands on a vehicle, you make small monthly payments that boost your score without taking on new debt. And while you won't receive cash from this program, just like a car loan doesn't give you money, you do get several other real benefits that help you protect and grow your credit. First, you get a free review of your credit report, and you may qualify for free legal representation. Let me explain, because this is a huge deal. Every member of the Credit Rebuilder program gets a free legal review of their credit report, no matter what. This is because about 40% of you have an error on your credit report. That error could be artificially suppressing your credit score, so we want to get those errors off your credit report. And about 10% of the time, we find a FCRA violation. FCRA is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and it dictates how your creditors report your debts to the credit bureaus. If a creditor violated your rights, you'll get free legal representation. That's right, an attorney will represent you at no cost to you. And if you win, you may receive financial compensation. We've seen people awarded $10,000 or even $20,000, but that's rare. Most of the time, compensation is closer to $500 to $1,000. Still, that's nothing to bat your eyes at, and it's important to us that we're upfront about what's typical. Second, you get priority lifetime access to the 7 steps to a 720 credit score program. This is our full credit education course, which will teach you how to keep a 720 credit score. The course is online, and in addition to education, you will receive templates, scripts, and all the resources to keep your credit score high for a lifetime. Plus, you will receive priority access to live Q&A calls, where you can ask our credit expert questions about your specific credit report and situation. This is real support from real experts, not bots. And we offer unemployment protection. Lose your job through no fault of your own? We'll pause your payments and keep your account active so your score keeps improving even while you get back on your feet. The Credit Rebuilder program comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you follow the steps and don't reach a 720 score within 24 months, we'll refund every penny. And finally, here's something that really sets this program apart. If you ever miss a payment, we don't report it. We'll just cancel your membership. No late marks, no penalties, no damage to your score. Too many people feel stuck with bad credit and just hope it'll get better over time. But months turn into years and nothing changes. Still getting denied, still paying high interest, still missing out on homes, cars, vacations, even job opportunity. But it doesn't have to be like that. You only live once, and every day you wait to fix your credit is a day you could be building your future. I want you to have great credit so you can build wealth, travel, invest, and live life on your terms. So here's your next step. Visit evergreenclass.com credit rebuilder or call us at 1-800-720-6886. It's risk-free, it works, and it could change everything.